हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम स्टडी करेंगे पोस्ट फर्टिलाइजेशन इवेंट्स इन प्लांट्स मींस बेसिकली फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स इन एंजियोस्पर्म। जाइगोट बनने के बाद मैच्योर एम्ब्रियो सैक फर्टिलाइजेशन मींस डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन के बाद उसमें बहुत सारे चेंजेज आते हैं। जैसे पहला चेंज जाइगोट बनता है, प्राइमरी एंडोस्पर्म न्यूक्लियस में सबसे पहले डेवलपमेंट स्टार्ट होता है, लेकिन उससे पहले एंटीपोडल सेल, सिनर्जिड सेल्स ये सभी डिसअपियर हो जाती हैं और सबसे पहले स्टार्ट होता है एंडोस्पर्म का डेवलपमेंट। प्राइमरी एंडोस्पर्म जो ट्रिप्लाइड होता है, डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन के अंतर्गत आने वाले ट्रिपल फ्यूजन से बनता है। ट्रिपल फ्यूजन मीन्स फ्यूजन ऑफ सेकेंड मेल गैमेट विद सेकेंडरी न्यूक्लियस और टू पोलर न्यूक्लियाई और पोलर सेल या सेंट्रल सेल। प्राइमरी एंडोस्पर्म बनता है, ये प्राइमरी एंडोस्पर्म सेल में कन्वर्ट होता है जिसे कहते हैं एंडोस्पर्म सेल। तो बच्चों एंडोस्पर्म का सबसे पहले डेवलपमेंट होने का रीजन है ये न्यूट्रिटिव टिश्यूज को फॉर्म करता है, जो क्या करता है बच्चों, एम्ब्रियो को न्यूट्रिशन प्रोवाइड कराता है। यही कारण है कि सबसे पहले एंडोस्पर्म का डेवलपमेंट होता है। तो एंडोस्पर्म का डेवलपमेंट पहले होने का सीधा रीजन है क्योंकि उसको मीन्स एम्ब्रियो के लिए फूड चाहिए। बात आती है कि एंडोस्पर्म डेवलप्स फुल्ली इन द फर्टिलाइज्ड ओव्यूल। इट मे शो द इफेक्ट ऑफ जीन्स प्रेजेंट इन द मेल गैमेट्स। द फिनोमेना इज कॉल्ड जीनिया। ओके, मतलब इसके अंदर मेलनेस के करेक्टर्स होते हैं और ये उन जीन्स को अफेक्टिव करता है, इसीलिए इस प्रोसेस को जीनिया कहते हैं। द डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट इफेक्ट ऑफ पॉलिन ऑन द स्ट्रक्चर इनसाइड द एम्ब्रियो सेट एक्सेप्ट एम्ब्रियो हैज बीन टर्म्ड बाई फोके इन 1881 एंड लिमिटेड टू एंडोस्पर्म पार्ट। इट इज सीन इन जियामेज मीन्स मेज एलोन। The metagenia may be defined as the effect of pollen on the seed coat or pericarp lying outside the embryo sac. So there are two effects, genia and what metagenia. उसके बाद बच्चों जब डेवलपमेंट होता है एंडोस्पर्म का, तो एंडोस्पर्म तीन तरह का होता है। सबसे पहला होता है न्यूक्लियर एंडोस्पर्म। प्राइमरी एंडोस्पर्म न्यूक्लियस डिवाइडेड to form a large number of the free nuclei. A central vacuole appear and massive peripheral multinucleated cytoplasm is formed. Ball formation occurs and central vacuole disappear. Example maize, wheat, rice. In coconut there is an outer multicellular solid endosperm and inner free nuclear liquid endosperm in the center. Okay, now cellular endosperm. When wall formation occurs after the every division of the primary endosperm nucleus, means nuclear division also followed by the cytokinesis. Then endosperm now is the multicellular from the beginning. So like for example datura, balsam, petunia, okay, alluvial. First division produced two cells within the each of the free nuclear division occur, but ultimately they may also become the cellular. For example Aeromonas, Asphodelus, etc. Now function of endosperm you know very well. In plants with albuminous seeds, the endosperm reserves food material and provide the food for the developing seeds. Okay, endosperm provide nutrition to the developing embryo. Liquid endosperm of coconut contain oxygen, cytokinin, gibberellic acid and induce cytokinins also. When added to the basic nutritive medium, coconut will also induce the differentiation of embryo and plantlets from the various plant tissues. Zeatin, a very potent cytokinin, is extracted from the young endosperm of maize. It is a multiple choice question here. Now, embryonic development. What is the embryonic development? Means development of the zygote into the embryo is known as the embryonic development, and it also undergoes in the different differentiation. For example, like embryo develops at the micropylar end of the embryo sac where the zygote is situated. Most zygotes divide only after the formation of certain amount of endosperm. This is an adaptation to provide nutrition to the developing embryo. Though the seeds differ greatly, the embryogeny means early embryonic development is similar in monocots and dicots. Dicot give rise the proembryo and subsequently to the globular and heart-shaped and mature embryo. Dicot embryogeny means development of embryo in the dicot. For example, crucifer या on guard type. Zygote divides into the two unequal cells, larger suspensor cell towards the micropylar end and a smaller embryonal cell towards the antipodal region. Suspensor cell undergoes into the transverse division forming 6 to 10 celled suspensor. The first cell of suspensor is called hostorium and last cell towards the embryo cell is called hypophysis. It forms radicle. Okay, means radicle is developed from the hypophysis. Embryo cell divide twice vertically and once transversely to produce two tied 8-celled embryo. The epivasal terminal means tied form two cotyledons and a plumule, while the hypovasal near the suspensor tier produce only hypocotyls. And what happens? It is initially globular, then become heart shape and further assume the typical shape. A typical cotyledons means dicotyledonous embryo consists an embryonal axis two cotyledons. The part of the embryonal axis above the level of cotyledon is called epicotyle. Means what is the epicotyle? The part of embryonal axis above the level of cotyledons is called epicotyle. It terminates with the stem tip called plumule, means future shoot. The part below the level of the cotyledons is called hypocotyle, which terminates into the root tip called radicles, future root. Root tip is covered with the root cap. In Caspella, Versa, Pastores, the elongating cotyledons curve due to curving of the ovule itself. In Orchid, Orobank and Utricularia, the embryo does not show differentiation of plumule, cotyledons and radicle, like see in the diagram. Okay, in diagram A there is the zygote. After this it undergoes into the mitosis cell division, and this is the asymmetric cell division and form two cells, suspensor cell and embryonal cell. Suspensor cell is always at the micropylar end and embryonal cell at the means toward the antipodal. After then suspensor undergoes continuous division to form the 6 to 8 10 cell form globular embryo. After then head shape embryo, and after then what, dicotyledons mature embryo. So in diagram E, see here, suspensor, the above cell of the suspensor is known as the hostorial cell, have into the means absorption of the food material for the embryo. Okay, root tip covered by the root cap. Inner mass is known as the procambium, outer mass is known as the ground meristem, and outer protective layer of the globular embryo is known as the dermatogen. Okay, so dermatogen is the protective layer of the globular embryo. Now Zygote divides in monocotyle. Zygote divides transversely producing vesicular. So one thing is remember that in monocot there is no specific type of the thing. Here embryo contain only one cotyledon and there are a lot of changes here. And what are these changes? So listen carefully. Growth of cotyledons pushes the plumule to the one side. जब बच्चों कोटाइलेडन्स का डेवलपमेंट स्टार्ट होता है तब वो प्लूम्यूल को एक साइड से कर देता है एंड रिमेन्स टू सेकेंड कोटाइलेडन्स अकर एट द सम ग्रासेज. इट इज called epiblast. Single cotyledons of monocot is called scutellum. It is shield shape and appear at terminal. The middle cell give rise to hypocotyls and radicle. It may add a few cells, okay, few cells to the suspensor. Both radicle and plumules develop coverings seeds called coleorhiza and coleoptile respectively. They appear to the extension of cells. Like see the diagram of the embryonic development in the monocot plant. So it is the very simple. And here scutellum, coleoptile is the protective layer of the shoot apex. Epiblast is the second ruminant cotyledons. Radicle is protected by the coleorhiza. Now there are many flowering changes after the completely development. And what happen here? Calyx, corolla, androecium, style, stigma are to be wither off, okay, means fall down. Ovary develop into the fruit. Ovary ball develop into the pericarp. Ovule develop into the seed. Integuments form the seed coat. Outer integuments means outer seed coat is known as the testa. Inner integument is known as the tegmen, okay. Micropyle is same. Funicle stalk of the seed. Nucleus, perisperm. Egg cell develop into the zygote as synergid cell disintegrate and disappear. So these are the post changes. Now ripening ovules are known as seed, okay. Integuments of ovule form seed coat. Outer integument form testa and tegmen develops from the inner integument. In some cases like lychee, ingadule, ठीक है, and others a sort of the third integuments or aerial is present which cover an additional covering of the seeds, okay. Some seeds like castor, ricinus have a spongy outgrowth near the micropyle which is known as the carbuncle and it absorbs the water during the seed germination. Funicle stalk of ovule forms stalk of seed. Ultimately stalk wither and leaves of minute scars called hilum. Smallest are found in orchids which are latest in plant kingdom, okay, are called dust seeds, means fresh weight. It is the structure of dicotyledon seeds and monocotyledon seeds. So seeds are classified in two groups: non-endospermic or ex-albuminous seeds. Food stored in endosperm is completely absorbed or utilized by the developing embryo. For example, seed of gram, pea, bean, orchid. Endospermic seeds or albuminous. When embryo grow, then endosperm do not completely utilized by the embryo. Cotyledons are thin here. For example, seed of wheat, barley, castor, poppy, etc. Now occasionally in some seeds, black pepper and beet, etc. remnants of nucleus are also persist, is called perisperm. Integuments of ovule harden as the tough protective seeds coat. It has a smaller pore micropyle through which oxygen and water enter into the seed during the germination. As the seed matures, its water content is reduced and seeds become dry. 10 to 15% moisture. The general metabolic activities or embryo slowdowns. This process is known as the inactivity, means dormancy. It favors conditions are available, adequate moisture, oxygen and suitable temperature. They germinates. Important of the seed. Evolutionary achievements. Okay, first is the evolutionary achievement. Seed is an evolutionary achievement. It provides protection to embryo. Seed colonies in new areas and spread its seed because of dispersal. Seeds has sufficient food reserve that nourish the germinating embryo. Beginning products of the sexual reproduction. Seeds have number of the variations. Variations helps in the adaptation to varied atmosphere environment. Germination and sowing of seeds by human give rise to agriculture, and it helped in developing of civilization, science and technology. Now seed viability, it is the period of time for which the seeds retain the ability to germinate. Seed viability determined by the genetically as well as environmentally environmental condition which can alter viability are humidity and temperature. Genetically, seeds viability range from a few days like oxalis, one session like birch, 2 to 5 years. Most crop plants to 100 years like trifolium. Seed viability has been found out to be more than 1000 years. For example, lotus 2000 year old seed of the phoenix. Okay, 10,000 year seeds of the Lycus artica, means lupin, etc. Tundra not only germinated. Okay, Arctic tundra. Viability of such seed is tested by the respiration and germination. Okay, it is the multiple choice question here. Respiring seeds turn colorless. Okay, by triphenyl tetrajolium chloride to pink ट्राइफिनाइल फोरामाजेन. ओके, डेट मीन्स अगर कोई भी सीड रेस्पायरेशन कर रहा है, अगर कोई भी सीड रेस्पायरेशन करता है, तब उसके द्वारा निकलने वाली कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कलरलेस ट्राइफिनाइल टेट्राजोलियम क्लोराइड के लिए पिंक ट्राइफिनाइल फोराजान में कन्वर्ट कर देता है. ठीक है, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि प्लांट रेस्पायरेशन कर रहा है. फ्रूट एंड फ्रॉम ओवरी, द ओवरी डेवलप इनटू द फ्रूट. ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ ओव्यूल इनटू सीड्स एंड ओवरी इनटू फ्रूट प्रोसीड साइमल्टेनियसली. ओके, ball of ovary develop into the pericarp which contain 3 layers: epicarp, mesocarp and endocarp. Okay, pericarp, it is covering of the fruit that develops from ovary wall. It is the part of the fruit. It is dry or fleshy. It protective covering and in nutritive. Fruits may be fleshy like guava, orange, mango, dry, groundnut, mustard, etc. Fruits are two types: true fruits. In the most plant, the fruit developed only from the ovary, and other floral parts degenerate and fall off. They call true fruits. False fruit. In this, the thalamus also contributes to the fruit formation. Example: apple, strawberry, cashew. In some species, fruit developed without fertilization, such as fruit are known as the parthenocarpic fruit. For example, banana. Parthenocarpy can be induced through the application of growth hormone like auxin, cytokinin. Such fruits are seedless. Apomixis, discovered by the Winkler in 1908. Apo means without, mixing means marriage. Okay, here O is the misprint. It is the formation of new individuals by asexual method which mimic the sexual reproduction including seed formation but do not involve fusion of the gametes of sex cells. Normal type of the sexual reproduction having two regular features, meiosis and fertilization, is called amphimixis. Organism reproducing through the apomixis is called apomix. Apomixis is the control by the gene and individuals are generally similar to the parents. Producing are clones and members of a clone are called gametes. It is the mode of apomixis in which seeds are formed but are asexually in nature as the embryo develops directly without gamete fusion. The term sporophytic budding is used in if embryo develops advantageously from diploid cells of nucleus or integument like मैंगो, ऑरेंज, ओपनसिया, ओनियन. बच्चों याद रखना, यहाँ पर अगर कोई भी सेल न्यूक्लियस की सेल हो या दो एंटीपोडल सेल फ्यूज हो जाएं, कुछ भी हो, बट गैमेट्स का फ्यूजन ना हो, अगर किसी तरह से एम्ब्रियो सैक के अंदर जा कर के वो डेवलप कर जाती हैं तो क्या कहलाएगा, वो एपोमिक्टिक कहलाएगा. इनका बहुत बड़ा रोल होता है. इफ़ सीड्स कलेक्ट फ्रॉम द हाइब्रिड्स आर सोन, द प्लांट्स in the progeny will segregate and lose hybrid character. Production of hybrid seed is costly, hence the cost of the hybrid seed is also expensive for the farmers. If the hybrids are made into apomix, there is no segregation of characters in the hybrid progeny, then the farmers can keep or using the hybrid seeds to raise new. Parthenogenesis, discovered Owen in 1848. Parthenogenesis, virgin genesis descends. It is the development of the new individuals from a single gamete without fusion with another gamete. Okay, it depending upon the ploidy of the gametes. There are two type of the gametes. So there are two type of the parthenogenesis, haploid and diploid. In haploid parthenogenesis, the embryo sac and its egg are haploid, and in diploid parthenogenesis, embryo sac and its containing egg is diploid. It undergoes into the parthenogenesis to form the diploid embryo. Diploid parthenogenesis is generally accompanied by the failure of meiosis during the megasporogenesis as well as direct formation of the embryo sac from the nuclear cell, like Pua, apple, rubus. Apogamy. Apo means without, gamy means marriage. It is the marriage. M is miss. Okay, M is missing. It is the formation of sporophyte or embryo directly from cells of the gametophyte. In higher plants, only diploid apogamy is successful. That is, gametophytic cell forming the sporophyte is diploid. In lower plants, haploid apogamy is equally successful. Now, polyembryony. The phenomena of having the more than one embryo is called polyembryony. It occurs in citrus plants mostly. Occurrence of polyembryony due to the fertilization of more than one egg cell is called simple polyembryony. Formation of additional embryo from different parts of the ovule like synergid cell, antipodal cell, nucleus, integument, etc. Example: citrus, groundnut, onion, opuntia, mangifera. Polyembryony was discovered by the Leeuwenhoek in 1719 and was conferred by Schnarf in 1929. Polyembryony is more common in the gymnosperm than in the angiosperm. There are two types of the polyembryony: false and true poly. In false polyembryony, more than one embryo arise on the different embryo sac in ovule. Means here development is tetrasporic, trisporic, etc. Means here different megaspores, all megaspores may be developed. Causes of the polyembryonic cleavage of proembryo, for example orchid family, development of many embryo from the other cells of embryo sac except egg like argemon, formation of many embryo due to the presence of more than one embryo sac in egg like citrus plant, formation of many embryo from the structure outside the embryo sac means from the nucleus integuments, for example mango opensia. Polyembryony practically important because genetically uniform parents have seedling are obtained from the nuclear embryo. Nuclear embryo are superior to those obtained by the vegetative propagation because nuclear embryo seedling are disease free and maintain their superiority for the long time. Now Parthenocarpy discovered by Knoll in 1902. Parthenos means virgin, carpus means fruits. It is the formation of fruit without fertilization. Parthenocarpic fruits are seedless like apple, pear, banana, pineapple. Technically fruits having seeds, pseudoseeds with an asexual embryo are also called parthenocarpic fruit. Parthenocarpy is also the three types: genetic, environmental and chemically induced. Genetically formed parthenocarpy is that which is due to the genetic alteration caused by the mutation or hybridization. It is also called natural parthenocarpy, for example banana, apple, pineapple, variety of grape, pear. Environmental, it is due to the low temperature. Fog have been known as induced parthenocarpy, for example olive, capsicum, tomato, pear. Chemical induced parthenocarpy spray or paste of the oxygen gibberellin in low concentration of 6 power minus 6 to 10 power minus 7 m means molarity has been found to induce the parthenocarpy in several plants, for example tomato, citrus, strawberry, blackberry, fig, etc. Importance: they do not contain seeds which have to remove before the eating. Fruits can be developed inside the greenhouse where pollinators are not available. Quicker food processing. Now it is the complete life cycle of the angiosperm. That means complete life cycle of the angiosperm has been completed into the three steps. First is the pre-fertilization, and pre-fertilization are followed by the three steps: microgametogenesis means development of male gametophyte, megagametogenesis development of embryo sac means female gametophyte, after then pollination with pollen pistil interaction, double fertilization means triple fusion and syngamy, after then endosperm development, after then embryonic development, seed formation, fruit formation, and what happened? It is the complete life cycle of angiosperm. Okay students, so now this is sufficient for today, and there is the next same video is the of the terminology which is used in the sexual reproduction of the plant. So the next video is of the terminology of sexual reproduction in flowering plants.